Hi guys. So I'm first gonna say sorry if you hear background noise. I put a movie on for the twins so they would not bother me while I do this. So super easy, super quick. I don't know where you live, but sometimes in Florida, we get these little ants. And even no matter how many times I clean my counter or wipe up or move stuff, sometimes just certain times of the year, they're like little tiny, I think they're called sugar ants or something. So I searched for a natural alternative to putting like traps or poison or anything like that. One, I have animals. Two, I have kids. Three, I don't really like killing things, and I'm pretty sure this is just a deterrent. So I felt like this was a super simple way that if you are having ant problems, I was reading a lot about it. It literally and it smells really good too. That it's great for like health and safety and everything like that. So we're gonna make it. So you need a little spray bottle, and then some witch hazel, essential oil, peppermint essential oil, and then just some water. So this is like so easy, okay? I wish I had a funnel though, because I don't really know how I'm gonna get this in there, but you need a tablespoon of witch hazel and perfect. I'll grab this. Okay. I'm gonna put it in here because I think it'll be easier. You need your witch hazel. And then, okay, hey, shh, Maverick, shush. And then your peppermint essential oil, like 10 to 15 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I did 15. And then you're gonna do the rest with water. And seriously, that is it, okay? And then how you do it is, okay, so, and what I was trying to say was, how to use it is try to find like where you see them coming from or in and out and just spritz this there. Definitely spot test it. You know, oils can be like, I don't want it to stain or something, or, you know, whatever. I've never had a problem, but just spot test it somewhere first. But yeah, and kind of just like spray around those areas. I have used peppermint oil before for like bug deterrent or whatever, but I've just not like in the spray form, so I thought it would be fun. Super simple, super easy. If you're having any kind of like ant problems, this is gonna be your go-to. So thank you guys so much for watching. Leave in the comments if you have any questions or anything like that. And don't forget to like and subscribe, because we're gonna keep all these videos coming for you every week, okay? So again, thank you, bye.